Okay, so the market's open right now. It's trading a little bit below the VWAP. What candle are we going to work with? We're on the 5-minute chart. Prices it's dumping below the VWAP. So bias right now is bearish. We're not going to jump in. It's a highly volatile small cap that already ran pretty big. It can halt, it can fake out, it can whip 50 cents in seconds. Use the 5-minute chart. Do not trade the first candle. Let the first 5-minute candle after open fully close. Step 1 at 6:35, the first 5-minute candle will close markets high and low. So that's what we're doing right now. We're going to mark the high and low of the first 5. Look at where price is relative to the VWAP. Right now it's below. If price is still below VWAP and breaks the low of that first 5-minute candle, that's your short trigger. Stop. I'm not going to short. Stop goes above VWAP. First target. Wait. Price pushes above VWAP and closes on that first 5-minute candle. Then wait for a pullback that holds above the VWAP. Okay, so this is really way too confusing. I'm certainly not shorting, so figure this shit out and give me better directions now. Hey guys, if anybody's watching, I don't think anybody's up this early, but I'm trying to trade this super volatile stock. It's called RIME. It jumped from $1.26 to $4.26, over $3 in the last session. And so I'm going to see if it's going to make a move or not. Okay. Some of the current facts from your screen. 5-minute chart price is about 426. VWAP 452. First 5-minute candle just closed red. Did it? No, it didn't. Low of the candle 413. We're below VWAP. Here's the simple version. You're not. It's below lower probability of first short. Here's the only plan you follow. Do nothing while price is below the VWAP. So we're going to do nothing while the price is below the VWAP. If you guys are watching, if anybody's watching, we're going to do nothing right now. Wait for a price to break above 452 and close a 5-minute candle above 452. While that's happening, I'm going to get my brokerage account ready and see if this is a penny stock or if I can trade it. And I'm also going to mark out some trend lines. And I'm also going to get a cup of coffee. So hopefully you guys can hear me. It's 6:30. The market just opened. It's Tuesday. I think today's the 17th. And it's 6:30 a.m. Yeah, this thing is not. It's not making a big move right now. Let's try to get this. What is that low? Let's see if we get. Let's see just how low this motherfucker is going to go. That's where I want it. Bing. So that's at 366. And we're going to see. Right now, it looks like this is not something that I want to trade. But I'm keeping my eye on it because it has a lot of volatility right now. Bing. 366. Delete that. Okay, 366. Try that again. Let's do one of these. No, not that one. Horizontal ray. Okay, yeah, there's our red line. That works. Yeah, this thing's headed quickly for that. So let's take a look at AMC. What the fuck is this? AMC is looking bearish. Grab is looking the same, nothing changed there. BBAI just broke to the bottom half of the range, so there's nothing there. So I'm back to RIME. I'm also going to check my pre-market movers for the morning to see if anything is okay. So let's see. Pre-market, most active stocks on investing. So I have no idea what I'm looking at right now. Okay, down, focusing down, up 3.9. Okay. Yeah, so right now, it's not looking very exciting. Yeah, okay, let me go back here. I might take a trade on this. Stop goes by. Please look at the screen. Tell me what you're seeing. Can you see my screen? So if anyone's out there, what I'm doing now, I don't know if you're still on the same screen as I am. I'm using AI to try to day trade and find a strategy with this VWAP to trade RIME. It looks like it's losing all its support. Okay, so yeah, on the I gotta always remember this is the 5 minute, so it looks so noisy and crazy, but it's just a 5 minute candle. So I'm gonna probably mark out that five. Yep. So let me just mark out this 5 minute candle. We'll see. I'm gonna do a price box on it. Yeah, guys, if anybody's watching, I'm not here to entertain today. I'm just kind of like, I wanted to tape my first day trading session back because I haven't day traded since I jumped into, what's his name, IXHL back in May. So if there's 26, 52, I need 52 fives, right? More than that, but let's see. 26 times 3. Alexa, what is 26 times 3?
26 times 3 equals 78.
I'm going to have to turn my notifications off. 26 times 3 is 78.
I won't disturb you.
Alexa, Alexa, stop. Just shut up. Okay, yeah, I got the nerves. You guys know what I'm talking about, right? When you get those nerves. So there's our chart. And it looks like, let me see. Now what do we do? Look at it now. Hold on. So yeah, the VWAP is at 4.48. The upper band's at 482, 415. Right now it's trading into those threes. The thing is, like, when is it going to turn around? That's what I'm looking at. Get off, man. Get off. Ah. So let me get my brokerage account up. It's like, do you just guess and say, oh, well, do you just guess and this thing has to turn around? Price is almost 85% below the view up. That's a strong trend down from the open. Now listen carefully. You can day trade it. You cannot force a long right now. This is a trend down move. Buying here is guessing. That's how traders get trapped. If you want to day trade this long, here's your exact plan. Rule 1, no long entries below 415. Rule 2, no real momentum long until it reclaims 448. Right now it's at 364. This means no trade. If you absolutely must trade today, here are the only two acceptable long setup. Why do you keep saying long, question mark? I'm here to scalp, make money. That's it. I don't care about this company at all. I'm not going to be long. So, just retell me everything you just told me because you're confusing the shit out of me. So now it's saying, if you guys are looking at this chart, this is crazy. So it's telling me that do not buy while price is falling. Obviously, we all know that. It's saying wait for this exact thing. Price stops making new lows. A strong green 5-minute candle forms with higher volume than the previous red candle. That green candle closes near its high. That's your trigger. Entry break above that green candle's high. Okay, so we're waiting for a green candle now for this setup right here, which is crazy because if you look at that trend line, that black trend line, that's coming down. So let's see. I'm going to try to set this up so I can trade it. Let's see. So yeah. Oh God, this thing's probably not going to let me trade it. Let's see. Quick trade. I'm going to have to buy one share just to see if I can buy shares on Merrill Edge. Buy one. Do a limit order for, it's probably going to hit $3. So I'll just do a limit order for $3 and see if I can even place an order. Because Merrill Edge is, they pretty much make every stock a call-in stock now. Continue. Let's do for the day. And let's see if it's going to review my order, close. Wait, what does it say? Unfortunately, what? Okay. Okay, cancel. Buy RIME, 1 share, order type limit, $3, duration day. No. Call Merrill Edge. This kind of sucks using Merrill Edge right now because everything is a block security to them.
This call may be recorded. Welcome to Merrill. Your person experienced extended hold time. Please be aware that most requests will be handled on our website at www.merrilledge.com.
Is this a halt? If it is, should I buy now?
Place the trade.
Brokerage. Brokerage. Trade. Trading assistance. So it's saying do not buy during the halt. When it reopens, one or two things usually happens. It flushes hard immediately lower, or it spikes violently for a fast squeeze. I'm on hold with my broker. So it says, watch the first 1 minute candle, do nothing for the first 30 to 60 seconds, let the direction show itself. If it reopens and rips back above 340 with strong volume, you can consider a quick scalp long. So I'm going to switch to the 1 minute chart. And hopefully I'll get my broker on the phone. Alexa, what is $3.50? Alexa, stop. Alexa, what is $2,000 divided by 3.5?
$3.50 is $3.50. $2,000.
Alexa, stop. My name is Brian Kelty. I'm wondering if this is this security I'm trying to trade is a block security. It's called RIME, RIME. Yes, RIME, Robert, Igloo, Mary. I don't know what E is. Yeah, E, RIME. Yep. It didn't allow me to buy 1 share because I tried to test it. It didn't allow me to buy 1 share. So I'm not sure if I'm doing something wrong because I haven't done any trading in a very long time, or if it's a block security. Right. Okay. Well, it looks like it's in a downtrend, so I'm gonna pause on it. I was just wondering if I was trying to buy one share during the halt, or if it's actually a block security. Can you confirm that for me so I can? Yeah. Go ahead. Okay, so I have to call in each time. All right. Oh, okay. All right. Thanks a lot. I'll keep an eye on it. Thank you. That's it. Thanks. Have a good day. So Merrill, it just halted for sure. Dude, what is with Apple products, man? This is like my music thing just opened up. So I'm looking at let's look at it. Oh, look, it's starting to print. What are these? I'm looking at Weibo 5-minute candles. Oh God, it's tanking. This thing's going down. It's a sell-off right now. You got people selling 22,000 shares at 312. Yeah, everybody's selling. Okay, so this. Well, glad we didn't jump into that stock. That was not the stock to jump into, which is good. So if you guys want to take a look at Webull, I don't have to stop sharing screen. So not very interesting stuff. Let's see. What is this? This is the 1-minute chart. And we're going to see if we get, okay. Okay, here's what it says. Do nothing, do not buy at 320. It is still sitting at the low. There is no reversal candle. There's no higher low. There is no reclaim of any level. Here's your one simple plan. Wait for a strong 1-minute green candle that breaks above 330. And you don't see any of that happening. It just hit 3. It's going to crank down past 3 now. Has higher volume than the last red candle, closes near its high, then enter on the break. Right. Take another look. What do we do now? Question mark. I'm still looking at the 1-minute. Should I be on the 5-minute or 15-minute chart? This is pretty noisy. It looks like it's printing green now because it probably tapped that $3. What do we do? Do we run? Do we buy more? Or I didn't buy any. So do we buy? Question mark. Let's see. So yeah, guys, I'm just taping a early morning session with ChatGPT, OpenAI, showing me and telling me how to trade a highly volatile stock. This stock is Algorithm Holdings Inc. It jumped from $1 to $6 and then came back down. Now it's trading around $3, right around that liquidity level. It's at 305. The VWAP indicator is saying it's at 445. So that's the volume weighted average price is still 4.45 and obviously getting lower. So I'm looking at it now, current screen, 1-minute chart, price is $3.07. Volume is 3.7. VWAP 445. Price is way below VWAP. Price is also way below the lower band. This is still a strong downtrend. You're seeing a small green candle near $3 because $3 is a psychological support. That does not mean trend reversal. It means a temporary pause. Oof, it just printed a biggie. This is still a 1-minute candle. Now it's at 282. Now here's what you do. First, get off the 1-minute chart. It's too noisy. Switch to the 5. The 1-minute will make you impulsive. Now should you buy right now? No. Why? Because there's no higher high, there's no base, there's no reclaim of any level. VWAP is still $1.38 above the price. This is still falling. If you want a real bounce trade, here's the only clean setup. On the 5-minute chart, wait for a strong green 5-minute candle that closes near its high. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go to the 5. And we're going to follow directions. And we're going to wait. I'm going to pull this red line down. And the whole purpose of this is to, explore how to trade with AI, using AI. So right now, I've gotten some great advice today because if it was me on my own, I would have jumped in as soon as the market opened. Wow, this thing just keeps printing new lows. Okay. Let me put this away. And sometimes it's good that it's locked or whatever.
Playing from Brian's Mac Mini.
Alexa, shut the fuck up before I fucking delete you. Okay, so we got it's 274. I have not made an entry yet. It's a call, and I would have to call Merrill Edge to make an order. So keep looking at the chart. We're on the 5-minute now, and let me know what I'm looking for, because I would love to catch a reversal here. Please tell me if I can catch a reversal and how to do it exactly with no noise in the simplest steps as possible, like I'm a 5-year-old. So it's down now 2.74. I'm looking at your 5-minute chart. Current factors are your screen. Price is at 2.75. High of the day was over 6 earlier. Was it really? Damn. Well, it's over 5. Maybe the pre-market. Oh God, it's still tanking. Current 5-minute candle. Volume on this 5-minute candle is 230. Price is it's now way below view up and also far below the lower band. This is a hard trend. Now you only want a reversal scrap. Here is the simplest plan. You do not buy while it's making new lows. You wait for this exact pattern on the 5-minute chart. Step 1, a strong green 5-minute candle appears. All right, while that's waiting, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to Edgar landing page. And you guys gotta forgive my appearance this morning. And we're gonna look for, what the fuck is this? Sorry about all the F-bombs today. We're going to look. I got a lot of anxiety because I haven't day traded in a while. But look, I haven't even taken a trade. Sometimes you just have to watch. And, I've been researching all these stocks for days now, and I haven't taken a single trade yet because that's not what day trading is about. It's about waiting for the best setup you can get. What is this? What is today? February 17th. So we have a filing. 13GA schedule filed by certain investors to report beneficial ownership of more than 5% of a class of equity securities amendment. So let's see what that is. So this may or may not be the reason why we're seeing such a huge downtrend. I don't know. So what do? We hit this, copy it, go back to this page. And I go back there, do that, copy it. Yeah, it's like I got that anxiety and that it's great. It's like being in a casino, right? You know what I mean? You get that anxiety, like you get so psyched because you're about to take a trade. And hey guys, if there are people watching this, I didn't think that anybody would be watching it. I will check in with you in a second. Let me see if I can. I don't want to be on the screen. Let me go back to RIME. There it is. It's still going down. I'm going to tell ChatGPT, here is what's happening. There's that filing, and then I'm also going to paste it. Oops, I fucked that up. So what is that? So ChatGPT is going to tell me what that filing is that I just found on Edgar. Edgar, if you don't know, is sec.gov. Edgar, you can look up any stock, and when you see like a downtrend like this, all day long on a stock, you have to look at it and find out why would a stock be going down. So of course, February 17th, Schedule 13GA. There's a filing. There it is. Because ChatGPT, come on, man. All right, go back here, go back to the chart. Where the fuck is it? Sorry about the F-bombs. I'm gonna have to okay, this is not for children. Oh, a green candle. We got a 5-minute green candle go. Let's see. I might have to call the broker back. Oh, it's got three or 4 minutes left. Okay, good. This filing matters. I'm going to explain it very simply what this 13G means. L1 Capital owns 142,905 shares and warrants. That equals 5% of the company. Key detail, they previously reported 264,000 shares. Now they reported That means they reduced their position. Also important, they mentioned additional warrants, but capped at 5% beneficial ownership. Small share. This would mean for your trade today, a fund reduced its position. This is a micro cap with a tiny float. It's already ran parabolic. It's now in liquidation mode. This supports what the chart is showing, heavy selling pressure. Now look at your trading view screen, 2.83, VWAP 4.36, lower band is 3.83. Volume on current 5-minute candles, 29,000, still almost down 20% on the day. Price is still far below VWAP. This is not a reversal structure yet. It's a dead cat bounce attempt so far. Now you can, if you want to catch a reversal scalp, here's the only clean way. On the 5-minute chart, wait for a green 5-minute candle. That candle must close above $3. Damn. All right, let's see where we're at. Well, right now we got a green 5-minute, but it's at 2.86. Volume must expand compared to the prior red candle. Oh, that's not going to happen. It doesn't look like it's going to happen anyway. So I guess it wants to engulf that prior red candle. But if you're looking at the chart like I am, 290, it looks like it's all right. The next candle must break that green candle's high. Volume must expand compared to the prior red candle. Next candle must break that green candle's high. Only then do you. Next candle must break that green. All right, let's take a look. Let's see if we got anything happening, or if we're just going to be more dumping. So if we look at this chart, you'll see that it was coiling for days. I don't know. What's the lowest it's been? What's the, I don't know. It was trading here. It looks like it was distributing share. This looks like a at the market raise or something like that, 87 cents. It's trading at 293. Here it is. So if you're just tuning in, I'm trying to catch a reversal on this after we just found out that an institution reduced its position and basically took profit, right? So that's probably why we're seeing all of this selling. So we want to catch the reversal, and this is I'm gonna have to call the broker again. You got to give me simpler directions. Look at the chart now and tell me what to do. Keep it really simple. This is a 5-minute chart. We're printing a green candle that has 47 seconds left in it. Come on. So yeah, if you're tuning in, what we're doing is we're day trading with ChatGPT. We're using it for everything, and we're trying to catch a move. We're trying to catch the reversal on this stock that went from $1 to $6. Right now, it just started dumping on the open, on the market open, and that's why I don't jump in pre-market on highly volatile stocks, because things like, look what happened. As soon as they filed, some institution dumped all the shares. Okay, I see it. Okay. Call Merrill Edge. Okay. God damn it, man. Current price is 296. Candle green. Very simple. This is the first strong green candle. If the dump, you do not. You wait for this 5-minute candle to close, which it did. So this is exciting, guys. We had that first 5-minute candle close, and these are the directions I'm getting. Let this candle fully close. Look at its high right now. The high is 2.97. Go back. Trade. Trading assistance. So I hung up again. It was about to place a trade, but so because it needed the candle needed to close. So this is a big sell-off. I'm trying to catch the bottom of this, guys. So that's what I'm doing here. Here's the Webull. What do you got here? You have a lot of people buying now. People are starting to buy the bottom. Get out of that screen, Jesus. All right, so I have a feeling this is the reversal right here, but ChatGPT is telling me not yet. So I'm going to listen, because that's what this whole live is about. It's about trying to figure out if this is, so far, this thing has saved me, hundreds of dollars, because I would have bought in at the market open and lost a few dollars in share price already. So start over. Give me another plan. Keep it simple. You're making it too complex. Look at the chart right now. Tell me what to do next. I also want to, like, I have friends that are like, how do you do it? How do you do it? Show me how to do it. And that's also why I'm taping this for Jabari and for Richard and friends of mine that I've been trying to explain that you can use ChatGPT to day trade to them. So what's up, guys? It is 7:10 a.m. We're trying to catch a reversal on RIME, which is kind of a highly volatile software stock. I'm kind of in an irritated mood right now because, you get that all. Oh, we got green candles. I'm looking at your trading view chart right now. What I see, time frame 5 minutes, price about 292. This 5-minute candle. I'm going to skip all of this. Do nothing until price breaks 292. If it trades above 292, buy. Stop at 283. Sell at 310. I'm never going to sell at those little rates that they give, but I'm not trying to. If it can't break 292, no trade. Okay, so it might break 292, so I should put the call in, but let's see. I gotta let it know. I'm looking to buy like 600 shares, maybe 700 shares. I'm gonna need a bigger profit than 20 cents. So can you give me another plan based on a bigger breakout? So I'm asking ChatGPT to give me a bigger breakout plan. Like I don't want a 20-cent move. I need something bigger. So the low of the day right now for this is at 260, 250, 260. Huge downtrend. Once again, you saw this stock go from $1 all the way to $6, right? Up 620. It's now trading at 260. And some institution took profit. That's basically what we found out this morning. There's a 13F, right? 13F, yep. Seeing your chart right now, 2.91, 5-minute candle, whatever. Just give me the direction. Step 1, stay on the 5-minute chart. Step 2, wait for a 5-minute candle to close above $3. Okay, so this is the the plan is a bigger breakout to the lower VWAP band. So the goal is to catch a push from the 290s into 374. So that's our game plan right now. So right now it's at 284. Step 1, stay on the 5-minute chart. Wait for a 5-minute candle to close above $3. So we're going to be doing some waiting. Do not buy before that. After you get a 5-minute close, so they want a lot more bullish confirmation. After you get a 5-minute close above 3, you buy only on a break above the next resistance. Trigger to buy 310. If price trades 310, you enter. Okay, so there you go. This is really, really helpful. So, I mean, we have AI, use it, like so far I haven't spent a dime today. I haven't lost any money at all because I'm paying attention to this thing, and it has been dead solid all morning long. And we've been trading for 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 minutes into the session. And not to mention, I was up at 5 o'clock in the morning and I didn't take a trade because it told me not to. And it was right. So right now it's trading at 293. It's telling me the trigger to buy is 310. If price trades 310, you enter. So it's trading at 292. It's printing those two candles. Exact words to tell your broker, place a buy for 600 to 700 shares of RIME only if it trades 310 or higher. Stop out if it trades 280. Take profits at 340 and 374. So that's our goal right there. So we're going to place a buy for 600 to 700 shares only if RIME trades at 310 or higher. Alexa, what is $2,000 divided by 3.10?
$2,000 divided by 3.10 equals $645.16.
Okay, so 645 shares at 310. A lot of people would at this point. So that's what we're going to aim for. 645 shares at 3.10. And, so we're going to try to make $645 today or more. We're going to see if this thing reverses and gaps back up. That's what we're looking for. Exact words, If it starts halting again or spreads get crazy at the breakout, skip the entry. Halts can gap against you. If you tell me the most recent swing low you see on the 5-minute right now. Given that 13F filing that I gave you, and is this safe to look for a reversal on? Or are we going to see more of a sell-off? Was that, do you need to see Webull? Do you need to see the level 2 data, question mark? And also look at the chart again. It looks like it's printing very small green candles now. We're at 2.89. another cup of coffee. All right, what do we got? Let's take a look. Oh, it's, let's see, okay. It says, I see the chart. We're on the 5-minute, price 289. VWAP blue is at 431. Upper band 489, lower band 373. Current 5-minute OHLC at about 2.88. Blah blah blah. Volume on this board 9. First, quick correction on the filing. What you pasted earlier was a Schedule 13G, not a 13F. Oh, my bad. A 13G tells you a holder's reported beneficial ownership, and it can include warrants with a 4.99 cap. Okay, it does not mean support is here or they'll defend the price. This is safe to hunt a reversal. This is not a safe reversal setup right now. Why? In plain terms, price is way below the VWAP, so the day's average buyer is underwater. Price is also below the lower VWAP band, 373. This is still a deep sell-off zone. Tiny green candles at 289 are often pause candles, not proof of a reversal. So the higher probability is more sell-off or chop until buyers prove themselves. Do I need Webull level 2? I can help without it. Level 2 can help you time entries, yet it does not change the core decision. Price action and volume tell you more than a stacked order book that can get pulled. If you want to show me one thing from Webull, show time and sales plus level 2 for 10 seconds and a push through a key level. Simple reversal plan. You want a long scalp with the confirmation. Do this on the 5-minute chart. Wait for a 5-minute candle to close above $3. No close above $3, no trade. Okay. That is your buyers or real trigger. Stop 280. First sell 340. I would take that. I would take 340, 5.4. I'm looking to make what I make as an actor, which is 200, 250 a day. So right now we're looking at 2.97. And these are on the 5-minute chart, 2.98. Stop 280. Here, take a look at the chart and give me a new game plan. Keep it simple. Just give me the directions on the 5-minute. Ooh, big one. Oh, it just jumped. Okay. Brokerage. Trade. Trading assistance. I'm on the phone with the broker. It's telling me do nothing under $3.14. If a 5-minute candle closes above 314, then buy on a small pullback. This is annoying. I got to keep calling the broker to place the trade, and it just lost it again. So I just keep writing now question mark and putting it in ChatGPT. I'm still on hold for the broker because it's block security, can't trade it online. Maybe you can with like Fidelity or something. It says volume is very light, it's stalling. This is not breakout energy. This is compression after a bounce. Do nothing inside this tiny range. Your trigger is still the recent bounce high around 316. It says only trade if a 5-minute candle closes above 316, then buy the next push higher. If it stayed between 295 and 316, no trade. Right now it's at 308, so you wait. Starting to print something. It's at 3.11 now. I'm still waiting for the broker to answer the phone. It's like a blessing and a curse. If it stays here at this level, even though chat's telling me not to do it, I'm going to do it. I'm going to take the trade. It looks like it's, here we go. My name is Brian Kilty. I'd like to place a trade on a security that you can't trade digitally or something. It's called RIME. Yes, RIME. And I'd like to place a trade as soon as possible. Can I have 600 shares at $3.30? Yep. Good for the day. Yes. Great. And then what, can you confirm what the order was placed at? $323. Okay. Can we now set a stop loss for 2.95? 1 second. Let me double check that. Okay. So we'll set a stop order for all of them at 600 shares at 3.04. Are you there? Okay. Yeah, we'll do a stop at 3.04. Yeah. What do you mean by free ride violation? What does that mean? A stock you bought in the same session? Oh, understood. Okay. All right. Thank you. Have a good day. All right. So we're in. We're. God damn it, man! What the fuck? Why does this thing do this every time? Shut. My Apple Music starts. I wish Apple would just fix their shit already. Cancel now. It wants to shut down my whole computer. Quit music. Go away. All right. So we're in. We have a 3.04. We are just looking for everyone to buy right now. Hopefully everyone buys, and this is going to shoot up. And we have some sellers at 328. Where's the rest of the screen? Oh God, dude. Okay. So all right, so our stop is at 3.04. Right now we're trading at 3.24. We bought it at 3.23. And we're going to see. That's it. That's all my money for the day. So I had 2 racks. I'm hoping that we're going to see the reversal here. That was a really risky kind of in terms of because you could easily dump right back to that liquidity level of $3. But yeah, that's where we're at right now. So the rest is just kind of watching to see if we, where can we take profit. So what I'm hoping for is I'm going to go flip to 15-minute candles now. Well, let's see, because now I mean the trade's in, so I'm either going to win or lose. Here's the trade. If it goes to 304, I lose. Now I have time to come and talk to you guys. Oh, thanks, man. Yeah. So yeah, I got a couple people. Hey guys, it's good seeing you. So yeah, I took my trade. So here's what I got. I got in at 323. I'm hoping for that this was a good reversal and that I caught the reversal and we're going to catch a big move up. I have a stop right now that I could release and let go of at 304. So 2 times 6 is 12. I lose $120, I guess, right? I don't know. Let's see. Alexa, what is 20 cents times 600?
20 cents times 600 equals $120.
Yeah, so I have a pretty conservative stop loss. I don't really need this price box.
That's a smart approach to risk management.
Alexa, shut the fuck up. I mean, I gotta pull. All right, so we're making a move. We got a little move happening here. So I got in at 323. It's up to 330 now. Please make a move. Please make a move. Good vibes. Thanks, bro. Thank you so much for the good vibes. Hey, man. Yeah, this is cool. So this is what we did today. So far, so good. We're about 3 cents over our cost. It just hit 330 on the high. I haven't even looked at IXHL. Now we can take a look at IXHL and check on some other things, but okay. So please give me the play-by-play here. We bought in 600 shares at 3.23, and we hit a high after the buy of 3.30, and now we're looking at a doji candle at 3.24. The stop is set at 3.04. What do I do next? I don't have a limit sell order because you can't sell on Merrill Edge. You either have a stop loss or I could just let go of my stop loss and hope that it's not going to flush, but let's see what happens. What do you think? What's some good advice here? Give me some good advice. Should I release my stop loss and see if this thing runs, or should I keep the stop loss at 3.04? These are tough decisions because chat's going to tell me to keep the stop loss at 304, and yeah, it's saying first do not move your stop. But I've seen this plenty of times where you get stopped out and you're like, fuck, you got, right now it's at 3.18. I've seen this so many times where you get stopped out and then it says do not remove your stop. This is still a balance inside a bigger downtrend. Remove the stop. Removing the stop turns a scalp into a hope trade. That's true. That's very true. Right now, what happened, you brought a breakout at 3.23. It ran to 330. It pulled back to 320. That's normal after a breakout. What matters now is 315 to 320 area. So I'm gonna remove this price box because it's getting in the way now. So what matters now is 315 to 320 area. We're in 322. If this 5-minute candle holds above 3.15 and the next candle pushes back above 3.33, then the momentum can continue. So we're looking for this 5-minute candle to hold above 3.15 and the next candle to push over 330. Let's hope. We're hoping that this works out for us. And if it doesn't, we get stopped out at 3.04 and we lose oh, I just realized, yeah, I should text my buddy. If we get stopped out, we lose. Let me see, live stream. I'm going to send this link, copy to my friend. Please, please, please. 225, come on. Richard. I'm telling my friend I'm trading live now. Look at all, you know what, 323, hopefully we don't lose it. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on. Well, okay, so we're looking at level 2 here, and let me see if I can just share level 2. 319. Oof. We're seeing some selling. Oh, not good. Not good. We might get crushed here. You can't really tell by level 2 though. It says there's a lot of buys at 312. So price is being pushed back down into the teens. This is too noisy for me. So I'm going to go back to the other chart. I'm looking at Webull level 2 right now. Yeah. Copy. Close, 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 close. Oh, come on. So irritating. My windows won't close. What's going on, man? Stock twits. I'm going to post a link on stock twits in RIME. Ugh.